Hi, I'm Olivier from Activity Messenger, and in this video, we're going to create an online liability waiver form for swim schools. So the first thing you have here is you have a nice image, so you can put in your brand image at the top here. Then we have a bit of context, so we're putting in some text as to what people will be signing off on. And then we had a few steps, right? So we have this is a child swim class, so we have the parent adult information. If you want to collect more information, you can toggle on different fields for every box like this. Then we have the participant child information, and then we actually add the assumption of risk, consent, and liability, right? So if you click on edit here, you'll be able to copy paste the different, your waiver basically into here and ensure that there's a checkbox here that says I read and accept or something else, and you make that required. So they will not be able to fill out this form without clicking on the I read and accept. You can have a yes question here as well. And at the bottom, you can say, have a digital signature, and they can agree and submit the waiver. Now, once you created the online liability waiver form, you're going to want to share it. So there's a few ways you can share it. You click on the share button here. You can add it. You have a shareable link that you can share with participants. You can send it by SMS or email, share it on social media, embed it on your website, and even have a unique QR code that you can have at the front desk for people who might not have had signed the waiver during the registration process. Because this digital waiver you can also include in your registration form with Activity Messenger. Now let's go experience from a parent's point of view. If I click on visit or fill, I go through what the parent's gonna experience. So in this case, they would put the information here. Then they would put in a parent, the child's name here, right? They'll go in with the gender and then select the date of birth. Then they're gonna scroll down and read the waiver here, and then simply click on I read and accept. They would click on yes here, and then simply sign with their thumb from their phone. Then they click on agree and submit the waiver. Oops, I'm gonna have to put this information here. I click on agree and submit, they click here. And then what happens is we can see this is a success. So if we go back here in our account, we will see that the respondent here, we have a new respondent who signed the liability waiver. The parent also gets a copy by email, right? A PDF copy. And if you come here, you will also get your PDF copy. If you click on it, you'll actually see everything the person has signed off on and agreed to. So both parties get their copy. And then from there, you can also message people who have signed or not signed the waiver by SMS or email. So if I click here, I can now message these people, send them an email, an SMS, or whatever it is after the fact that they signed the waiver if you need to communicate with them. So if you want more information about Activity Messenger and how we might be able to help your swim school, you can visit activitymessenger.com or follow our YouTube channel where we put a lot of other features, videos where we can help swim schools such as digital surveys, email marketing, online registration, and much more. Thanks for listening.